Hi guys, Aniq here.
Hi guys, Mohid.
Hi guys, Ali here. So welcome to our channel, K2M Toys Unboxing and Reviews. So all three of us are very excited because we got these new Nerf guns
From Adventure Force, but they're not Nerf guns.
So we got these new Adventure Force guns. So it's a copy like Nerf. Yeah. So these are the two guns we got. This one's motorized here. It lights up.
Let me show you the cool thing about mine. It lights up.
And this one is unmotorized, but it holds his holds 20 bullets. This one holds 30 bullets.
Mine's a machine gun, so it's going much faster and motorized.
Let's
Show you the box.
Here's this side of mine. Here's the
And here's the other mine.
So you guys can look at the back at both of these.
Let me just close it out. There you go. And as you can see, it comes with
So now, without further ado, let's get unboxing.
here's the on and off switch. So if you turn on the back, it can't do anything. In the middle, it just gets the light. There's a machine gun for it. Wow, that's fast.
That sounds like it hurts.
Yeah. It hurt. Maybe it hurt a lot. Can we get the bullets? Thank you, Muaz.
Here's the bullets. So now we're done with this gun. Now it's time for us to unbox this other Adventure Force gun.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh no. Oh no, my door.
So we really like these guns. They're pretty nice.
And mine's a machine gun which I like that has a motor.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Please like this video and please watch our other videos. Bye.